Elizabeth. Rise and shine. What, you taking a day off, Lizzie B?
Dad, what time is it? I had the weirdest dream. What happened to your face?
Quit stalling. It's time for fight training.
Pass. I'm not really in the mood to watch Hope be a ninja today, Dad.
Who?
Never mind.
All right, well, come on. Josie's down at the dock. Come on, let's go. Get out of bed.
I'm so good at this. How am I so good?
Quit bragging, you're losing.
Lizzie, go high.
Really proud of you guys. Help your old man up. Oh, God. Yeah, our years of training have really paid off.
So there's like no one else you'd rather be training with?
Well, who else would there be? Now go get dressed. You're giving a tour in 10 minutes, and I really need you to sell the new recruit on our place. He's not sure he wants to go here.
Who wouldn't want to go here?
Exactly. We'll reel him in, Dad. Don't worry.
What would I do without you guys?
Welcome to the Salvatore School. We're your tour guides.
I'm Josie.
I'm Lizzie. Sisters.
Twins.
Fraternal, obs.
Come on, we'll show you around. Everybody gets along with everybody here, for the most part.
The wolves are pretty cliquey. They mostly like to hang with their... Oh.
This place is a turd stain.
The maintenance staff must be on holiday or something. Why don't we introduce you to your pack?
Okay.
Where's the pack?
Hey, Jed. I'm Luis. You're Alpha.